Wait.
Hello, guys.
Okay.
Hello, Dad. Today, and it's camping stuff for my dad.
Camping stuff. It's from, say, Fire Maple.
Fire Maple.
I bought some Fire Maple camping gear. Here, cut it. Open them up.
Wait.
They're going to help me open the box. There's one item that didn't come today, but it's nothing important. Here, pull this, Simon.
It's really not important, but it's okay.
The big stuff isn't here. Here, pull, Simon. Pull.
Pull.
All right.
Let's see what's in here. Whoa.
What is that? Oh, so I bought a non-stick fry pan.
What's this?
What is that? Oh, that's the leather case for.
What is this?
So I bought a leather case that goes over your gas can, and then I bought the non-stick pan, which I'm pretty excited about that. I bought one of these lanterns from them. So, and they obviously they opened that up, but that's the X3 or X2
You can have this
burner.
one. I can have this one. That's so cute. Me too.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this.
No.
Let's see. Here, Stella, hold this.
Oh.
It came with all this.
Me too, brother.
I guess this is the empty box. The gas canister. Here, go get my stove underneath the coffee maker. It looks just like this. Go grab it.
Okay.
This thing's pretty nice. I like this a lot. Here, look out. Give me the box, Simon. So, it came in a box like this. Kids open it. It's got a maple, fire maple sticker, some instructions. And then it came with, I guess, all the colors. I ordered a black one, but I guess it comes with all of them, which that's pretty cool. I like the blue the best. You like this one, Simon?
Yeah.
Blue. I bought a French press for this as well, but it was behind. It was
open it.
It was behind this, so basically, let's see. Let's stop arguing. It goes like this. Here, wait. That's yours. Yeah, that's fine.
No,
let's see.
that's mine because
Let's
I love
open this
going
up.
camping.
I think this should fit on here without having to buy anything. So it pops out like this.
Let me get my bag.
Let's try this, Stella. Let's see.
No. Brave.
Alright. And it fits on just like that.
I'm brave. I'm definitely.
Ooh, that was nice. Did you see that? So that's cool.
Let me see.
I like that.
Let me see.
It turned on.
Me
See?
too. Let me see inside.
Nope, that's it. I don't have any water in it, but that's cool. So that's the one thing I'm the most excited about is this here.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be awesome, and I like how it all fits in here. So, but let's see. Let's open this up real quick. This is basically like a little gas lantern. Don't touch. Gas lantern.
Everything done.
Careful now. Let's see.
I want to be a smasher.
Come here, Stella. Look at this.
Okay, look. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. It is.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, bro.
So I guess this goes in like this, and you can attach it.
Oh, look at my face. That's so cute. And this can be what the?
Well, I'm nervous. I don't want to mess this up, but this is pretty cool, man. So it's just a lantern. So I'll make a video on this when the kids aren't all jumping up on me. So here, hand me that. So, but all this camping gear, I'm really excited about. A lot of this stuff is going to be really cool. This thing is so light compared to that one over there. But hopefully we'll see some more videos on this. And when the French press comes in, I'll do a video on making coffee. So, all right, y'all say bye.
Bye. See you next week for camping.
Bye. Yep, bye. All right, the next thing.